Boris and Doris ground ToothingTheVyonder 2004/grounded. And this was a request by ToothingTheVyonder 2004. ToothingTheVyonder 2004, how dare you make grounded videos out of us? That's it. You are grounded 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 until your channel gets terminated.
Go to your room right now.
Yes. We grounded ToothingTheVyonder 2004. Hopefully someone will tell us we did the right thing. I hope ToothingTheVyonder 2004 will get grounded.
I agree with you, Boris.
Look, Antonio, Boris and Doris just grounded me.
Really? Boris and Doris, how dare you ground ToothingTheVyonder 2004? You know he's a good user. That's it. I'm calling Kalu about this.
No 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 no. When Boris and Doris got home.
Mom and Dad, how dare you ground ToothingTheVyonder 2004? You know he's a good user.
That's it. You both are grounded 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 for 884 vigintillion 556 novem decillion 556 octodecillion 489 septendecillion 845 sexdecillion 644 quindecillion 558 quattordecillion 564 tridecillion 786 duodecillion 246 undecillion 256 decillion 552 nonillion 561 octillion 452 septillion 383 sextillion 789 quintillion 743 quadrillion 299 trillion 273 billion 492,792,237 years. Now go to your room right now.